You can learn the option trading lessons of a boiling frog. The boiling frog relaxed in the comfortable warm water and hesitated to jump to learn options until it was too late. Do you have hesitations about trading stock options to make money? I get it. You're willing to jump and take the leap into learning options. But you just need some reassurance and knowledge to end the confusion and doubts. Let me assure you, stock market options can only do three things: go up, go down, or stay flat. But guess what? Options have you covered to make a profit whether the stock blasts off, takes a deep dive, or cruises aimlessly along. You have a choice of option spreads: calls, puts, butterflies, iron condors, strangles, and even jade lizards that will fit the market direction, mood, and make money. Don't procrastinate basking comfortably like the boiling frog while option opportunities pass by. Learn to be your own boss, trading options step by step to make money.